This video is about Three Sisters Garden. I've been wanting to try Three Sister Garden, and what it is you have three plants: corn, squash, and pole beans. So basically you have to plant them in a mound, but this one is a modified Three Sisters Garden because I have planted the corn in rows since I just followed the drip irrigation system. And then instead of squash, I planted watermelon because there are so many squash bugs in here, and I don't think that's gonna survive without lots of pest stress. So I'm doing watermelon because they are less preferred by the stink bugs. And then I'm gonna be adding beans. Now I have here a bag of beans. The beans that I'm going to plant are this one. They're super duper cool. This is called Christmas lima beans, and they're climbers. So what will happen is that the beans will climb up the corn, and then the watermelon will grow on the ground, will crawl around on the ground, and will provide shade for the ground to control the weeds. And then the corn or the corn stalk will serve as the stake of the lima beans. Beans are nitrogen fixers, so they will provide nitrogen to the growing corn. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to plant the beans right next to the corn. So this is the drip emitter right here. I'm just gonna plant it over here. The ground is a little bit soft, so just going to dig a little of it. It takes about 8 to 10 days for the beans to germinate. So I'm gonna give you an update on this one whenever all the three plants are already growing. And then let's put another one right here. So I'm going to plant more beans here in a minute, but I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with the watermelon. So here, I planted like 4 watermelon seeds, but watermelon is a heavy feeder, so we can't afford to have 4 watermelon plants in one spot. We just need one. So I'm going to take this off, take that off, and then here there are 2, and they actually look alike. So it's kind of hard to decide which one to keep. So I'll probably keep, let's see, this one, good looking, another good looking. Well, I will probably just take this. Let's see, the leaves are not as good as this one. This is hard decision, guys. Let's see. Okay, I'll probably take this off because this one is growing that way. It's gonna go to the corn, so it's in the right direction. We'll go ahead and cut this. Okay, and then I'm going to mulch the watermelon, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the rest of the watermelons in this path, and they're gonna be directed going towards the corn. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening.